Day, McVeigh. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so firstly, there should have been a Get Smart show that you watched at home yesterday. So if you didn't, hopefully you'll see it in school today because it's a super important show that you need to watch. For this show today, I'm going to start out with a project on rocks by Farah and Jayla. And so here you go. And this is about the kinds of rocks that are found in the core of our Earth, in the mountains, and general topography of our planet. So, topography is like the terrain. Um, so, Anyhow, so there are different types of rocks. Did you know that sand is considered a form of rock? Well, it's called sedimentary rock. And then there are other forms of rock that you might not know. Lava, for example, is liquid rock. When lava is hot, it's liquid. When it's cool, it's solid and a rock. So there's also metamorphic rock. And so here they have described that there are types of rocks and all the different ways in which we see them and even use them in our lives. So some of you might have granite countertops. So the other thing they did was included blocks of different rocks. So different color granite is a very hard stone, so you might use it on the kitchen counter because it won't get damaged. Things like sandstone, another product you might even have in your house. And so rocks are extremely important in our earth, but also in our lives. And so it looks like they used this book, The World of Rocks, to make this project, but they put a lot of work into it, and well done, girl. Next, we have a math project. So this is triple digit multiplication, some subtraction, and then triple digit, quadruple digit subtraction. This is by Nicholas in 221. I don't know if you can see it because it's on construction paper, but there's a tremendous amount of work done here. Well done, Nicholas. And then we have some glue art. This is by Sophia. I don't know if you can see this, but she made different pictures with glue. Now, a lot of times with glue, you can put something else on top of it, like even glitter, and it'll stand out. But even glue itself can make beautiful art. Moving on to our Wordle and mystery number. All right, so we learned the other day that these two letters are the most common consonant and the most common vowel. Okay. We have some couple of clues today. Number one is yesterday's show. Big clue in that show on what this is. This is a word inside a word. Okay, listen carefully to this clue. These two letters are adjacent, we know that means next to each other in the alphabet in consecutive order, one right after the other. And this is a vowel. I'm going to give you the vowel. It's the same as this vowel. All right. All right. So that's it. On the back, we have our mystery number. All right. So we know that this number has 2 digits. We also know that the number, when I spell the number, it has the most common vowel in it. it has 3 of the most common vowels when I spell this number. If I take each digit and I spell each digit out, I only have 2 of the most common vowel. What's the most common vowel? E. Listen carefully. If I spell this whole number as what it is, I will have 3 of the most common vowels. But if I spell this digit and then this digit, I only have 2. And now it's time for our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind Moment of the Day today is a shout out to the Adelphi men's soccer team who yesterday came to McVeigh. When you weren't in school, they came and they did some wonderful paintings in our bathrooms. Now, some of you might remember they were here last year and they helped us make our Pathway of Kindness. And before that, in years past, they also came in and did some painting. Well, wait till you see what they did yesterday. And they just came in on their time to do something super mighty kind. They're not going to get anything out of it, just knowing that they made a difference in somebody else's day. Yeah, that's what being kind is. And that's what the Adelphi team did. And you can too. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty mind. And everyday boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.